Samsung is getting serious. What's up guys, we are back with some exciting news. The new 200 megapixel sensor official trailer was dropped yesterday. We also have some huge news regarding the Galaxy S21 FE, but first, a new Galaxy in 2022 is shaping up for a beastly upgrade. Samsung's biggest strength is undoubtedly its Galaxy A series. It consistently outclassed the Galaxy S series in terms of the global year-on-year sales, which is why Samsung wants to bring some of the most important changes to its Galaxy A lineup next year. This year they added IP67 water and dust resistant rating, optical image stabilization as well, but next year things could go beast mode. According to the latest news coming from South Korea, Samsung could bring for the first time a 108 megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization on its Galaxy A73. This will be a huge camera upgrade, probably the biggest camera upgrade ever for the Galaxy A series. We don't have any information on the sensor itself, whether it's the same sensor as the S21 Ultra, probably not. Most likely it will be similar to what they have used on the S20 Ultra, or maybe it could be an entirely new sensor. Now this is the upgrade for the Galaxy A73 and most likely Galaxy A53. What about the lower end Galaxy A series models? Well, according to the information coming from Galaxy Club, Samsung could bring a brand new Galaxy A13 5G, which reportedly has a 50 megapixel camera sensor. This phone is said to be Samsung's cheapest 5G phone of all time. This new 50 megapixel sensor for these mid-range phones could be the recently announced ISOCELL JN1 sensor. Apart from the camera upgrade, the Galaxy A series could also get the taste of some AMD GPU madness. The addition of AMD GPU will provide a massive graphical jump to the Galaxy A series, something that we have not seen on the previous models. Now beyond the A series, we have the fan edition, that is the S21 FE. I know a lot of you are waiting for this phone, so according to the latest information coming from Max on Twitter, it seems like Samsung may have cut down the shipment of the S21 FE by a lot. We're talking just 10,000 units a month, which is definitely a number that is far less compared to what Samsung usually produces for its flagship smartphone. Even though Samsung messed up the launch of the S21 FE, which will take place in the month of October, they still want to release this phone no matter what. But be aware, this phone will be released in limited numbers and it may run out of stock pretty soon. Now lastly, Samsung's ISOCELL HP1, aka the world's first 200 megapixel smartphone sensor trailer is officially here. In this video, Samsung talks about all the things that this sensor can do, and one of those things is the dual pixel binning mode. So in daytime, the sensor will produce 1.24 micrometer pixel size images, and in the nighttime or in low light, it will go to 2.54 micrometer pixel image size. It results in some excellent detail. It can also produce videos up to 8K at 30 frames per second. With all that being said, Samsung will still not be using this sensor on its Galaxy S22 Ultra. There is a mystery 108 megapixel sensor planned for the S22 Ultra that we don't know about, but we're definitely going to see some details pretty soon. So that's all the news for today. I gotta say, Samsung is going big for its Galaxy A series next year. I'm super duper excited. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.